Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're working through our geometry basics unit right now. We're going to look at the angle addition postulate, which quite simply just states that if you have parts of an angle and you add up those parts, it will equal the whole angle. So, for example, here we've got angle ABD and angle CBD that makes up the larger angle ABC. And if we just substitute this in and solve, we'll be able to figure it out because we actually know that the angle measurement for ABD is 15x plus 11. We know the angle measurement for CBD is 7x plus 14, and that whole angle is going to be equal to 69 degrees. Collect our like terms. So we get our 22x plus 25 equals 69. Isolate our variable. 22x is going to be equal to our 44, and get our coefficient to 1. We'll see that x is equal to 2. It's quite that simple. All you got to do is add up the parts. So let's try two more on your own. Crank that energy back up, and here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.